Hey guys, Real111T. So this video here is going to be for a kit that I put together that's basically the opposite of that big Trangia kit that I posted about the other day. But I think I like that format. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just pull it apart here. We'll talk a little bit at the beginning here though about what the philosophy of this is. This is a real small kit. This is designed for water boiling, backpacking. I don't do much backpacking anymore. But I hope to in the future. Maybe when the kids are a little bit older. It's really been holding me back as far as that goes. This is the sort of kit that I put together if I needed something that was fast and light. Now it's not ultra light. I mean, there'll be people who will say, oh well, you know, if you're not using titanium or, you know, this, that, or the other. This is not a particularly heavy kit, but it may be heavy to some people. So here we go. Let's take a look at this. Basically the stove. I've got a couple of these kits, and one of them is this BRS 3000, which is a fairly basic butane stove, very popular on the Appalachian Trail. Not particularly wind resistant, but it is very small and it is very light. You may have seen these, and they're not particularly expensive, 15-16 bucks. A GSI Outdoors large space saver cup with a DZO Outdoors lid as your boiling vessel, and then a GSI Infinity mug which fits inside that as your drinking vessel. So this would allow you to do basic backpacking meals. It would allow you to make mountain house meals. It would allow you to cook or boil a instant coffee, or pour over coffee, or tea. Let you make oatmeal. Just basic backpacking fare. Nothing fancy. There's no windscreen in this setup, which is a failing in my view. The stove itself is not very wind resistant. So part of the philosophy used for this would be that if you were out and it was windy, you'd have to find a very sheltered spot, maybe the nook at the base of a tree or something like that, behind a log, to protect it a little from the wind. But so there you go, guys, just a quick look, and it all fits in this one Tigris Nalgene bottle pouch. It's about the size of a 1-liter Nalgene bottle all put together, including the fuel, and that would be all right for, you know, a couple day outing, a day trip. Any more than that, you'd have to carry more fuel, but that would be something you'd have to look at. Thanks for watching. So there you see put back how this Infinity mug fits right down into the Space Saver mug. It's similar to the Stanley Mountain cook set, except it's got a metal lid for the pot. It's a little bit smaller. The whole kit put together costs about 50 bucks, which seems to be sort of a magic point at this point. For a while you could put some things together for you know, $30, but this is a decent little compact cook set, and you know, if I was going out just for the day, that might be something I'd grab and go. Might be good for a bug out bag, emergency kit, that sort of thing as well, provided you're keeping your bag in an area where the fuel is protected from extreme temperatures of heat and cold. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you'd like to see more of my kits in this sort of quick open up and set up format. Yeah, thanks for watching again.